من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، يسمع دعاء الخلائق ويجيب، وجعل الدنيا دار العمل ولا دار الجزاء. اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا بما ينفعنا وزدنا علما. اللهم افتح لنا ابواب حكمتك وانشر علينا من رحمتك. سبحانك لا علم لنا الا ما علمتنا انك انت العليم الحكيم. اللهم اخرجنا من ظلمات الوهم واكرمنا بنور الفهم، وافتح علينا بمعرفه العلم وحسن اخلاقنا بالحلم، وسهل لنا ابواب فضلك وانشر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds, who hears the supplications of His creation and answers their prayers. And He made this world a place of work and not a place of reward. Allah, benefit us with what you have taught us. Teach us what will benefit us and increase us in knowledge. O Allah, open for us the doors of your wisdom. Bestow your mercy upon us and grant us affection and understanding. Glory be to you. We have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Indeed, you are the all-knowing, the all-wise. O Allah, take us out of the darkness of delusion and honor us with the light of understanding. Open for us the knowledge of science and improve our morals with patience. We thank you for gathering us today in this seminar. Thank you for the love and mercy you have for us. Guide us to this straight path and bless us today in this event. O Allah, we pray that may we be able to understand what brought us here. May this seminar help us understand what we are supposed to do. As we start, be with us and guide us to the end. O Allah, we seek your blessings for effective communication. Grant us the ability to express our thoughts clearly and to listen attentively to one another. May our words be filled with grace and understanding. O Allah, grant us the patience and tolerance to navigate these moments with grace. Help us to listen attentively and to respond with kindness and understanding. Protect us from any harm or distractions that may hinder our progress. Grant us the focus and energy to engage fully in our discussions. O Allah, help us set aside the personal agendas and work towards a common goal. May we support and encourage one another, recognizing that we are stronger together. Help us to recognize the value of each person's contribution and to express our gratitude sincerely. As we embark on this seminar, guide us in our learning. May we gain knowledge and skills necessary to perform our duties. O Allah, guide and bless our lecturers, our guests, our listeners, and our leaders, and everyone who contributed in this event. Glory be to you, Lord, the Lord of might, above what they describe, and peace be upon the messengers, and praise be to Allah, the Lord of the world. سبحانك ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله